Hello everyone. Today we are here to discuss a powerful combination that is data science for biologists. Data science is transforming the field of biology by providing biologists with unprecedented tools to analyze complex data, uncover hidden patterns, and make groundbreaking discoveries. In today's exploration, we have an overview of data science for biologists, its importance, its application in real life, what are essential skills for entering in this field, and some major challenges and their solutions. And then we will go for high salary prospects. So, let's start our session by understanding or getting an overview what is data science for biologists. Data science for biologists is essentially the application of computational methods to extract meaningful insights from biological data. By combining biological expertise with data science, biologists can make significant contribution to advancing our understanding of life and developing innovative solutions to global challenges. Now, let's understand how important data science is for a biologist. It has a great role when it comes in handling massive data sets. Biological research generates enormous amounts of data from genomics, proteomics, and metabolomics. Data science helps manage, store, and process this data efficiently. By analyzing vast data sets, biologists can identify trends, correlation, and patterns that would be impossible to spot manually. It comes handy for accelerating discoveries. Data science can predict drug efficacy, identify potential drug targets, and optimize drug development processes. By analyzing patients' data, researchers can gain insights into disease progression, identify biomarkers, and develop personalized treatments. Data-driven approaches can improve crop yields, develop resistant strain, and optimize farming practices. It helps in improving accuracy. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns and make predictions with higher accuracy, aiding in disease diagnostics and treatment. Since it is an interdisciplinary collaboration, so data science fosters collaborations between biologists and data science, leading to innovative solutions and methodologies. It is used in development of precision medicines. By analyzing large data sets, researchers can develop personalized treatments plans based on individual genetic profiles, enhancing patients' outcomes. It harbors predictive analytics. Data science enables the prediction of biological phenomena, which can inform experimental designs and therapeutic strategies. It has resource optimization. Efficient data analysis helps optimize resource allocation in research projects, leading to cost saving and better project outcomes. It helps real-time monitoring. Data science specialty is real-time tracking for biological processes, which is crucial for fields like environmental biology and agriculture. It's absolutely so great when it comes to data visualization. Advanced visualization techniques helps in interpreting complex data sets, making it easier for biologists to communicate their findings. The boon for innovation in biotechnology. The convergence of biology and data science is driving innovations in biotech, leading to new products and services. Now, let's move forward for its real-world applications. Data science can play a great role in genomic analysis. Data science is used to analyze and interpret genomic data, aiding in gene discovery and understanding genetic diseases. Data science plays a great role when it comes for drug discovery process. Machine learning models predict how data science is different for different compounds will interact with biological targets, streamlining the drug development processes. Next is epidemiology. Data science techniques are employed to track diseases outbreaks and model the spread of infectious diseases. Next is agriculture biotechnology. Data analysis helps to improve crop yields and resistance to diseases by analyzing genetic traits and environmental factors. Next is environmental monitoring. Data science tools analyze ecological data to assess biodiversity and the impact of climate change. Next is clinical data management. In healthcare, data science is used to manage and analyze patients' data for better health outcomes. Next, we will move forward to synthetic biology. Data science aids in the design and modeling of synthetic organisms for various applications, including biofuels and pharmaceuticals. Then, metabolomics. Analysis of metabolites provides insights to metabolic pathways and disease mechanism, enhancing our understandings for biology. Next, system biology. Integrating data science from various biological systems helps in understanding complex interactions within biological networks. And lastly, personalized nutrition. Data science is deployed in analyzing dietary patterns and their effects on health, leading to personalized dietary recommendations. Alright, let's discuss what are some essential skills required by an individual to get a break in this industry. First and foremost important skill should be statistical analysis. One should be proficient in statistics and is essential for analyzing biological data and interpreting results. Then, one should have a great command on programming skills. Knowledge of programming languages such as Python and R is crucial for data manipulation and analysis. Then, machine learning. Understanding machine learning algorithms and their applications in biological context is increasingly important. Then, data visualization. Skills in data visualization tools helps communicate complex data findings effectively. Lastly, one should have a great knowledge for biological purposes. A solid foundation in biological science is necessary to contextualize data analysis within biological research. While data science offers immense potential for biological research, it also presents significant challenges. Now let's discuss major challenges in data science for biologists. First, it will be data complexity. Biological data can be complex and heterogeneous. But we have a solution. So, it says invest in training programs that focuses on data integration techniques. Then, the second challenge could be skill gap. Many biologists lack data science skills. So, a good solution for this that one should be encouraged in interdisciplinary education and provide access to online courses and workshops. Then, data management. Managing large data sets can be overwhelming, but we have a solution. Utilize cloud computing and database management systems to streamline data storage access. Then comes interpretation of results. Translating data findings into biological insights can be challenging. But wait, we have a solution for this too. Foster collaboration between data scientists and biology to enhance understanding. Lastly, keeping up with technology. Rapid advancement in data science tools can be daunting. But don't worry, continuous professional development and trainings in new techniques are essential. The intersection of biology and data science offers lucrative career paths. Here are some high-salary career prospects for biologists. First is bioinformatics scientist. It's a specialization and analysis of biological data. Then, data scientist in healthcare. It focuses on health data analytics. Computational biologist. They work on modeling biological processes using computational techniques. Then, biostatisticians. They analyze data from biological experiments. Finally, machine learning engineer. They apply machine learning to biological data. They develop and implement machine learning algorithms for biomedical applications such as drug discovery, medical image analysis, or precision medicines. So, by combining biological knowledge with data science skills, you can position yourself for a successful and well compensated career. Lastly, I would just like to say that integration of data science in biology is not just a trend, it represents a fundamental shift in how biological research is conducted, leading to innovative solutions and improved outcomes across various fields. I hope you found this video very beneficial for your career and would like to conceive a career in data science. Thank you all for your time and attention, and feel free to reach out in case of doubts and consultation. Thank you once again.